Turn out of a driveway. You got to be really careful. And I like to turn out hand over hand. There's more than one way to turn the steering wheel. The National Highway Safety Transportation says for slow speed maneuvers, parking, making right turns, left turns, hand over hand is the best method. We all are taught different things. Some people are taught to hold the wheel at 10 and 2, 9 and 3, or 7 and 5. In fact, AAA says 7 and 5 is the most secure method. So there are different methods. It really depends on what your mom and dad does, your instructors taught you, and what you're comfortable and feel safe with. So don't be stressed out. Now we have the stop sign. We got to stop, look left, right. But now we got to move forward. Okay, we got to survey our traffic. Looks clear. And then I'm going to go ahead and make my left turn. Go into the nearest lane. And then accelerate through your turn. We want to look ahead and aim high. Aim high driving is looking ahead as far as you can. Imagine walking in the hallway at school, walking in the hallway in college. This car, out of pocket. What are they doing? That's crazy, man. Don't shoot a gap like that because that's going to cause us to crash, them to crash. Don't do stupid stuff like that. Next, let's go ahead and get over one lane to the right. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. And then I would have moved safely through the gap, and now I'm under control. Next, I see a lot of beginners that tend to look down at the speedometer and see me drifting off the road to the right. Don't do that. Look ahead. The temptation is to keep checking your speed, to make your speed perfect, but it won't be perfect. You'll go a couple of over, a couple of under. But if you trust your experience and your guidance and your instructor, you will meet those qualifications. You will pass your test. That's why it's so important that you look at all of these videos I'm putting together. Because I'm a state certified driving instructor, you're going to get best practice. You're going to get the most current information. So I've stopped, and we can see the rear of the tires on the ground. I'm looking in my mirror. The person is behind me. I'm checking my mirrors. So my mirrors are good. I have space in front of me in case I get rear-ended. I'll just have one hit and I won't be pushed in front. My nephew got rear-ended. The car was smashed like an accordion because he was too close to cars. So do yourself a favor, leave space, and I'm looking and checking, and then turn into the nearest lane. Keep your turn as short as possible and accelerate through the turn. Now, I'm confused about them. First, they turned on the blinker and went to the left. Then they went back to the right. So this is what a beginning driver would do. They would make a movement, then use a blinker, and then do something else.